Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on NOTCOIN. Want us to do a bit of an update. It's well, interest in this coin has dropped down quite a bit in the last couple of weeks already. I mean, we haven't seen much momentum. The last time we covered it, I also told you we have probably turned bearish here. But still, wanted to cover it. I know that quite a lot of you are still trading it, still interested in that. So I thought, let's just do a full update on it right here. So that's what we are going to do. Now, obviously, we or at least as most of you know, hopefully, we had a bit of a drop in the markets in the last night, at least for me. So that also what it meant for NOTCOIN. We already, like the last time we covered this, I think it was on Monday or Friday, we already said that, all right, well, it's most likely we are a bit bearish. You could already see we were consolidating a bit right here between the 18th of June and the 29th of June, so for quite a long period of time. But then when we had that sell-off right here, the 26th of June, you can see that the EMAs started to slope down a little bit here. And that is usually a confirmation of a downtrend. And then we barely found any support here at 1.3 cents, which historically was a relatively strong support level. And then we also got a bearish breakout below that with the bearish momentum overnight. So for me, if you just look at the technicals, and then you can also talk about fundamentals, you can look at TON, for example. TON is absolutely not doing great either, even though, I mean, if you zoom out, TON is still doing amazing. So it's not only it's not only bad. I think that if TON can recover, NOT can recover a bit as well. But for now, the most likely direction is obviously a continuation of what we're seeing right now. And what we're seeing right now is a downtrend. Technically, in momentum, with the volume, it all points towards one thing, and that is down. So most likely what I think here, and you can also look, if you look at the order flow here, I think that's a bit more interesting. You can see we gained momentum here and there, we lost some momentum here. But what's interesting is that not over time, actually, it gets some momentum here and there. Like there's enough, it seems to me that enough people are interested in that, in this coin, to actually facilitate some sort of momentum when we hit support. But what's more interesting right now, I think, if I can show you that, because it doesn't show up too good, is that actually after the breakout we had a lot of short positions being opened. So that's in the last 5-6 hours, I think, if you're watching this video. So what that means is that, all right, well, NOT is bearish for sure, all right, because we are, like, the momentum is still not great. There's no bullish momentum. It's more bearish momentum, and we had a big bearish breakout. But what this means as well is that there's quite a lot of liquidity for NOT to the upside, towards like 1.3 and 1.35. So what I expect for now is I don't see enough momentum, or I don't really see any reason, except for if Bitcoin all of a sudden starts to be bullish here. I don't see any reason why we would stop being bearish. But I do think we can have some bullish momentum on the short term, grab some liquidity right here between 1.4 and 1.3, and then from there we'll just continue to drop down towards 1.15 cents, which we have already hit a little bit earlier this morning, and ultimately down to that amazing support level at 1 cent. That's what I think is most likely. All right, for me, this is in line with the market structure. This is in line with what we're seeing from the markets, especially now in the summer. If Bitcoin really changes its trajectory, so if Bitcoin finds support here and it starts to be more bullish, then it's possible that NOT can consolidate. And then if TON also turns bullish, we could even turn bullish as well. But if that happens, I'll let you know. All right. For now, like I said, short-term bullish momentum is possible, but a short-term bullish breakout and a reversal, I think, is unlikely. But those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments, of course. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.